ng
Okay.
ano sir,
Kita mo,
consultation.
group consultation. Pero first
May
consultation
tanong-
or second
Yun
consultation?
lang sir kung anong day
Ah.
sa Florida. Itatanong
Okay.
ka sa kanila din if
Kung saan po kayo nag-inquire, ma'am?
I have a question po.
Yes, go ahead.
Sa advantage, yung sa abnormal breath sounds, hindi po ba kasali si plural fiction rap?
Plural fiction pwede naman siya, ma'am. I-plural fiction rap. Yan na lang natin. I think na-discuss mo na din si plural fiction rap. Yan. Si plural fiction rap. Anyway, I'll try to recall kung saan ko na-discuss si plural fiction rap.
Alright, sige po, sir.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, hindi ba siya kay cardiac tamponade or pericarditis? Parang nagtitis.
Yeah. Nandun pala. Nandun si plural fiction rap. Sa Bericaditis, sa cardiac tamponade.
Kasi di ba yung negative pressure hindi na na-maintain kaya may tendency na nag-distal na.
Sige na. Oo. Okay na tayo? Malapit na pumutok. Oo. Hindi mo na ako. Okay lang? Oo. CR mo na ako. Ladder break mo na ako. Ladder break. Alright.
na tao. Hindi, Jai. Maliit pa pala. Di kami papanin yung anak Manada. Naka-online exam?
Hello, hello. Hi, hi. Hi.
Hello po.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
girl.
Hi, sir. Hi,
Ako,
sir.
sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello po.
Sige, ready na? Ready na? Let's continue. Oh, malapit na tayo matapos yung discussion and then siguro we'll do ano lang after the discussion we'll do mga 20 items if you want. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay lang
Yes
po ba
po.
yun? Yes, sir. Sige. Sige. So, let's continue to discuss about the lung assessment pattern. Assessment pattern. Pattern. Okay. Pattern. Okay. So what is under the lung assessment pattern? No? Assessment pattern, we have there yung mga abnormal breathing pattern. So ano po yung mga abnormal breathing pattern? You have there the cosmos, right? Sino po nakakaalala ng cosmos? Sino po nakakala? Yeah. The
Acetone
cosmos.
breath.
AKA.
Okay. So, sino po
Rapid.
Sino po nakakalala? Okay, magandang. Okay. Sino po nakakalala ni Cheyne-Stokes? Cheyne-Stokes breathing. Okay, Cheyne-Stokes breathing. Okay, and then you have there tatlo lang, three lang, about the lung assessment pattern, and then you have there the biot breathing. Biot breathing. Mga Bisaya, huwag mag-react, ha? Huwag mag-react. Okay? Alam ko, may mga iba po kasi yung sa mga Bisaya about the biot, no? Kita niyo? No, oo. Sige.
Sabi ko,
Huwag
Ilocano
mag-react.
like din.
Yeah. So, huwag mag-react. Kasi this is not a scam. Totoo po yan, no? The bias breathing. Okay, when you say, ready na? Lahat ng simplify and test previous, nakakasunod po ba? Nakakasunod?
Yes
Previous,
po.
simplify.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige po. When you say cosmos breathing, this is deep, rapid. This is deep, rapid breathing. Okay? This is deep, rapid breathing. Kailan po ito? Kailan po lumalabas, no, of cosmos breathing, or what is the indication of cosmos breathing? It's related to
Thinking.
presence of acid, no, in the body. Presence of increased acid in the body. So, what are the factors that can increase the acidity in the body? You have there the carbonic acid, and then you have there the fatty acid. Okay. Si fatty acid, saan po ito related? Si fatty acid. The fatty acid. Ang fatty acid, is this related to decay? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In product.
What is the end product of fat metabolism? Fatty acids,
Fatty acids and ketones.
and ketones. That causes increased acidity in the body. No? And then the compensatory mechanism of our body to neutralize the acidity is osmotic breathing. No? Osmotic breathing. Sino po dito gustong marinig paano po yung osmotic breathing? Okay? Lahat po ba gustong marinig what is osmotic breathing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But before that, draw ko muna what is the pattern of breathing ng cosmos. Okay, pakisulat para mamaya, no, kahit just looking at your notes, alam mo what is cosmos. Okay? Ready? Ready to hear what is cosmos breathing? What is the sound of cosmos breathing? Ready? Ganito.
Yes, sir.
Narinig? Narinig? May narinig? Cosmos breathing? Wala, sir.
Wala, sir.
Wala. Parang nahilo po ako. Taglit lang.
Wala, sir.
Okay. Sige. Ganito
Wala
ha.
po narinig.
This is cosmos breathing.
Yan,
May
dinig po.
narinig? 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 Cosmos breathing?
Yes po.
Yes.
Narinig na po.
Yes.
Yes.
Narinig yung cosmos breathing?
Yes, sir.
I want to see exclamation mark in the chat now.
Para sa yung magbubukas ka ng pinto, sir, no?
Para siyang, ano siya ma'am? Yung para siyang inihingal, pero sobrang... ganito po yung, di ba para siyang inihingal, pero yung
parang
paghinga niya,
hinihingal.
pero sobrang lalim. Sobrang lalim po yung pattern niya. Okay. Parang iba yung sa'yo, sir. Parang iba, resulta po yun sa iba natin. Ibang hingal yun eh. Oo. Baka may ano po yun, may second voice. Ang delikado po doon, may hingal tapos may second voice. Oo. Sige. Okay, nakuha si Cosmos breathing? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige. Next, you have there the chain stove. The chain stove breathing. When you say chain stove, periods of apnea plus waxing and weaning. Okay. Waxing and weaning. When you say waxing and weaning, okay, when you say waxing and weaning, this is the crescendo and decrescendo breathing. Pag sabihin natin crescendo, this is gradual increase of loudness. Okay? And then decrescendo, this is gradual decrease of loudness. Okay? So, ganito. Kung crescendo, ganito ha. Sino po dito gusto makarinig ng change tone breathing? The waxing and waning for the decrescendo and crescendo. Gusto? Lahat po ba dito? Gustong makarinig?
Yes po.
Ng
Yes,
change
sir.
tone? Pero before
Yes,
that,
sir.
ito drawing ko para may pattern tayo. Is this crescendo? Is this crescendo? Mataas. Mataas. And then, yung pababa, that is decrescendo plus periods of asthma, and then crescendo na naman, mataas, tapos decrescendo, pababa. Ganito po yan. Okay, ganito po yan. The chain stop. Kindly check kindly check the patterns of lung breathing plus apnea. Okay? Ganito. The waxing and waning, ganito po yan. Okay, nakuha po yun. The crescendo and then the decrescendo, the period of asthma, crescendo, decrescendo, and period of asthma. Nakuha po yun? ESRN? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
So, can you simplify and test babies? Nakakasunod po ba? Nakakasunod?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
And so, yes, ma'am.
Kasi nawala po ako sa kanya. From abnormal lang sound, tapos to lang assess na patin palang po ba ang nadi-discuss?
Ano ba yun, ma'am?
From abnormal lang sound, so nag-break tayo, tapos lang assessment pattern ang sunod.
Yeah,
Yes,
correct,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you po. Yun lang
Correct.
po.
Oo.
Akala ko na
Pasensya.
Thank you, sir.
Oo. Sobrang, ay, ganda ng boses mo. Totoo nga, no? Oo. Na to. Ma'am, ano pangalan natin, ma'am?
Trigger.
Ano pangalan natin, ma'am?
Ang riri, ah.
Sige. So, saan natin
May magkupos mouse.
Oo. Sige. Saan natin common nakikita yung change? Saan po natin,
May magsiselos na dyan.
saan natin common makikita si change stock din?
Na-stimulate.
Grabe yung, ang tanong ko is, change stock rating, sabi nila is ano daw, yung stimulate. Okay, this is related to, increase ICT. Increase ICT. Increase ICT. Common yan, nakikita natin, change stock rating sa mga patient, victims of motor vehicular accidents that can cause increased ICP, mga nahulog na mga pasyente, napagok yung ulo, nag-increase yung intracranial pressure. Yan po, dun po yan natin common nakikita sa kanila, yung change stroke rate. Nakuha? Yes, Ryan? Nakuha?
Sir, victims of water. Tsaka victims of love, sir. Charot.
Victims of love and victims joke lang.
Question ko.
Yes.
Sorry, sir, hindi ko po masyado nag-gets with the sector.
Okay. Natin ma'am, what other term of what crescendo and crescendo. When you say crescendo and crescendo, from the word crescendo, gradual increase of loudness, and crescendo, this is gradual increase of loudness.
Happy po, sir.
Kasi pag ang gamitin na po natin, gamitin na po natin, vaccine reading is very medical. Very medical.
Okay, ascending, descending.
Presenting. Kasi pag ascending, that is not the right term for with sound. Pag sound, if we're pertaining to sound, we should really use the word crescendo and decrescendo.
Para mas madali na mai-kwan, sir. Parang i-relate na lang dito. Ascending, descending. Pero
Okay.
pag sa music,
Crescendo po talaga. Pag-music. Okay. Sige. Nakuha na po yun. Clear? Clear si vaccine na breathing. Clear si stock breathing. Yes, RN. Okay. Sige. Can I proceed to the next slide? Para sa biot breathing. Tapos tayo. Biot breathing.
interesting, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sige, copy mo na. Baka mayroon pa gustong mag-copy and go. You really need to draw, kasi para mamaya, kahit hindi niyo titignan yung video, alam niyo kung what is stage to, what is post-mortem.
Sa Cosmol, usually, sir, kung in attempt to expel yung CO2 retention, ano po?
Yeah, the purpose po talaga of post-mortem to normalize, neutralize the CO of the body.
Okay po. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir, inom kang tubig.
Yeah. Sige lang ma'am, yung biot breathing naman is, kanina na to. Okay, sige. Can I proceed? Can I proceed to the next slide? Okay. Next is biot breathing. Okay. So, pag sabihin natin, biot breathing, this is rapid, shallow. This is rapid, shallow breathing. Again, ang other term of bias breathing, this is gasping for air. Pag may makita po kayo doon, word gasping for air, no? That pertains to bias breathing. The other term of bias breathing in the exam is gasping for air. Nakuha? Nakasunod? Nakasunod?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Gasping for air. And then, this is related to end of life. End of life. End of life. Okay? So, before that, i-demo ko what is bias breathing. Pwede po bang i-draw po yung pattern of bias breathing? Okay lang? Para mas maintindihan natin.
Sige po, thank you.
Yeah, that is the pattern. Maliliit. Maliliit. Okay, ganito po yan. Sige lang. Okay? Sige, ganito po yan. Bias breathing. Ready? Ready? I want people to be your ears. Yes. Okay. Sige, ganito po yan. Pa po yun? Yes, RN? Nakuha?
Opo.
Okay.
Opo, parang iniwan ng jowa.
Oh, parang
Cute.
yung umiiyak ka kasi iniwan mo yung jowa mo at na-miss, may something na na-miss ka sa jowa mo. Oh. Oo. So, yeah. Sige. Copy. Congratulations. We're done with lang assessment pattern. Learning? Yes, RN?
Learning, sir.
Learning po.
Next slide, please.
Ano pa yun, ma'am?
Previous slide, please.
Yes, after the class, ma'am. After the class. We have allocated time for the previous slide. After the class. House to house vaccination, replay. Ay, yes ma'am, ma'am CJ Tobias, ingat po ma'am ha. Baka yung aso, no? Makawala yung aso. Oo. Ano po ba yung common na problema ng mga community health nurse? Yung aso, di ba? Yung aso?
Yung aso.
Oo, yung aso eh.
Yung mga marites, sir.
Tsaka marites. Aso, ay may aso po bang marites or marites at aso? Oo. Aso at mga marites. Oo. Hindi marites na aso or marites na mahilig mag-aso. Ang marites. Oo. Yan. Sige. So far, no question about the lang assessment pattern? Wala na? Okay. Okay, clear? Can I proceed to the next topic, USRN?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sensya, pag inuubo ako kasi pag ganito po talaga mga normal breath sounds, abnormal breath sounds, lang pattern, masakit sa lalamunan. Okay? Next, COPD. COPD. What is COPD? Chronic?
Chronic obstructive pulmonary.
Okay. Yan. New simplify NCLEX babies, I want me to learn by your ears. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, this is very important. No? Legendary USRN, no? Let's give opportunity for the new simplify NCLEX babies to focus about COPD. Kasi wala pong exam na hindi present si COPD. Always present si COPD sa exam, no? So, please, pakilagyan ng 3 star si COPD. Malaking star. 3 star. Anong ibig sabihin ng 3 star? That is NCLEX hot topic. Palagi lumalabas. NCLEX favorite, si chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Kahit sa UWorld, kahit sa Archer, always yan. Okay? So, what is the other term? What is the other term of COPD? You have here the chronic airway or airflow limitation. Okay? This is NGN, ha? This is NGN. Okay? Other term that the NCSBN uses, no, sa COPD, you have there the chronic airway or chronic airflow limitation. Okay? Naka-follow? Nakuha? Nakuha?
Yes.
Use my NCLEX babies. I want to see. I want to see exclamation marks sa chat box. Yan. What is our nursing diagnosis? What is our nursing diagnosis for COPD? You have there ineffective.
Effective airway gate.
You have there ineffective airway clearance. Okay? Sige. What is the common cause? Okay, what is the common cause of COPD? You have there smoking. Smoking. The common cause of COPD, smoking. But are there 2 types? Are there types of COPD? What are the types of COPD? You have there the chronic bronchitis, and then you have there the emphysema. Okay? Emphysema. Question here, no? In the exam, no, ang question po sa exam dito, ano po yung cause of chronic bronchitis? The cause of chronic bronchitis is smoking. Okay? Smoking. And what is the cause of emphysema? What is the cause of emphysema? It's chronic bronchitis. Okay? Chronic bronchitis. Yan. Huwag malito, ha. Huwag malito sa exam. Kung tatanungin po kayo sa exam, what is the cause of chronic bronchitis? It's smoking. Okay? And what is the cause of emphysema? It's chronic bronchitis. Okay? Nakuha po yon? If nakuha po yon, I want to see exclamation marks sa chat box. Okay. Yan. Okay lang po ba sa inyo, USRN, na susulat po ako ng pathofysio, no? Pathofysio. Okay, pathofysio. Siguro, saan ko ba susulat yung pathofysio? Dito ko na lang ilagay, pathofysio. Okay, pathofysio. Pathophysiology. We will discuss first the pathophysiology of chronic bronchitis. Pathophysiology of chronic bronchitis. Okay. From the word itis, bronchitis, there is inflammation of the bronchi. Of the bronchi. Okay? There's inflammation of the bronchi. Now, during the inflammatory process, merong cell na matitrigger. During the inflammatory process, merong cell na matitrigger. Side notes natin dito, ha. Side notes. Side notes ko dito. Okay. Side notes ko dito. Ang matitrigger during the inflammatory process is the goblet cell. Goblet cell. Sir, matagal na po akong nawala sa nursing. Ano po yung goblet cell? No? Goblet cell is the one responsible for mucus production. Mucus production. Okay. So now, nangyari, there is inflammation of the bronchus. During the inflammatory process, magkakaroon po tayo goblet cell activation. Magkakaroon po tayo ng goblet cell activation. Now, pag na-activate si goblet cell, kung na-activate si goblet cell, magkakaroon po ba tayo ng increased production of mucus? Yes. No? Magkakaroon po tayo increased production of mucus. Sobrang daming mucus. Sobrang daming mucus. Pwede po ba can cause plugging? Yes. No? Can cause mucus plugging. No? Can cause mucus plugging. Can cause mucus plugging. Dito na. Patay na. No? Kung may mucus plugging, no? May oxygen pa bang makapasok sa lungs? Wala na. That can cause decrease oxygen level. No? Decrease oxygen level. And decreased oxygen level will result to cyanosis. Cyanosis. Ano itsura sa tao na may cyanosis? Anong kulay nila? Are they blue? Blue?
Fluid. Color. Fluid po.
Fluid. Kaya po, ang tawag, the other term of NCLEX, patient with chronic bronchitis and then have cyanotic in appearance, we call it blue bloaters. Blue bloaters. Copy. Blue bloaters.
Blue baby.
Blue baby. yung blue baby. Diyan po, no? Diyan po nanggagaling ang word blue bloaters. No? Because patient with chronic bronchitis will have decreased level of oxygen and then that result to cyanotic in appearance, another term of NCLEX, for patient with COPD and have cyanotic in appearance is blue bloaters. Okay? Nakuha po si blue bloaters? New Simplify NCLEX babies? Nakuha? Nakuha?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Mucus
sir.
plugging.
Opo.
Mucus plugging. Kung may mucus plugging, may obstruction ng mucus, mahihirapan po ba tayo huminga? Yes. No? Makakaroon po tayo ng difficulty of breathing. No? Difficulty of breathing. Especially during supine position. No? Kung nakahiga ka, supine position, at ang tawag po natin yan, that is orthopnea. 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 Congratulations, copy the simple pathophysio of your chronic bronchitis. Copy. Yes, sir. Ay, meron pa pala. Meron pa ako nakalimutan. Iso. Meron pa ako nakalimutan dito. No? Meron pa. Okay. Decrease O2 level. Pwede po ba magko-compensate yung mga fingers po natin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so pwede magko-compensate yung fingers mo natin. At ang tawag po doon, that is the chubbying of fingers. Chubbying of fingers.
Stop.
Okay, please copy You Simplify NCLEX babies.
Sir, yung notes, nagumihan.
Chubbying of fingers, no? Oo.
Sino pong chubby, sir?
Alam ko ma'am, chubby po ako.
Okay po.
Oo.
Bali cute naman, sir.
Thank you very much ma'am. Alam naman ma'am, dadali po ako maniwala ma'am, no? Pag sabihin mo ma'am, ang kamukha ko is parang si Chris Hemsworth, talagang maniniwala po talaga ako agad, no? Okay. Tama po ba to? Chubbying? No. Okay, scam po yan. Sabi ko na nga sa inyo eh. Nati-trigger po ako kanina. Ito yung nakapag-trigger sa akin kanina. May narinig magandang boses. Yun po yung makapag-trigger sa akin na mga scam ulit. Okay? The compensatory mechanism for fingers, if there's decreased O2 level, is clubbing of fingers. Please copy the pathophysio of your chronic bronchitis. Learning? USRN, learning?
Yes po.
Right.
Yes. Yes po.
Thank you. Grabe, sobrang saya ng manok ko. Oo, kasi natuto din yung manok. Sobrang saya. Yeah.
Learning daw, learning.
Learning. Ganon yung manok eh. Oo. Tama po yan, Sir John. Maganda boses. Marami ding mga magaganda. No? Yan. Kagaya ni ano dyan, ni Ma'am Riri, ni Ma'am Ann Doason. Yan. Marami pa yan sila dyan. Hindi ko pa nakita yung iba. Alam ko, yung ibang participants dito ng mga lalaki, hindi na nakikinig sa lecture eh. Ang ginagawa is ng stock na sa mga profile picture. Tapos sini-search sa Facebook. Tama po ako, hindi? Mali.
Kumain, sir.
Oo. Alam ko yan. Kasi yan po yung gawain ko before. Hindi ko lang yan magawa ngayon eh. Kasi, magmo-multitasking ako, magpe-Facebook, ganon. Hindi ko na kaya. So, pinag-ubayan ko na yan sa inyo. No? Marami sila dyan. Yan, no? Kita mo si John si Sir Mantos, naka-private po mga FB. Kung walang FB, doon ka sa Instagram.
Kaya pala.
Hinang lina lang eh, mga mahinang nila lang, no? Doon ka sa Instagram, doon mo makikita yung mga Okay, sige, can I proceed to the emphysema?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay na? Chronic bronchitis, tapos na? Done copying? USRN? Done?
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Okay. Yan. Next is you have the emphysema. Yan. Emphysema. Okay? Pwede po ba na ako muna mag-discuss? Emphysema? Okay na po ba? Ako muna?
Sige po.
Yes, sir. Sige. Ako muna ha. Makinig muna. Makinig muna. Okay. The problem here in emphysema is there is decrease elastase production. Okay. Sir. Sobrang tagal ko na nawala sa nursing, sir. Parang ano na ako, sir eh. Mga 10 years, more than 10 years na ako nawala sa nursing. Hindi ko na naalala yung elastase. Tsaka, during discuss yung CI namin sa elastase, absent pa ako. So, hindi ko talaga maalala at hindi ko natutunan na what is elastase, no? Oo. So, si elastase, no? Si elastase, the responsibility of the function of elastase is for lung recoil. For lung recoil. When you say lung recoil, this is the what do you call it? Okay. This is may medical term. Inaalala ko lang po yung medical. This is the intrinsic tendency. Intrinsic tendency to deflate after inflation. Okay, after inflation. Okay? So, lung intrinsic tendency to deflate after inflation. Okay? That is lung recoil. Okay? Pwede po ba pakitingin sa screen? Pwede po ba pakitingin sa screen? Nakita niyo po ba ako sa screen? Nakita?
Yes, sir. Gwapo pa naman.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Nakita? Okay. Ganito ba yung lung recoil? Pakitingin. Pakitingin. Ganito. Pag inhale mo, your alveoli will inflate. Di ba? And then, after inflation, mag-deflate. That is lung recoil. That is lung recoil. Okay? Ulitin ko. No? The responsibility, the function of elastase is for lung recoil. Lung recoil, this is the lung intrinsic tendency to deflate after inflation. Okay? Ganito. So, pag inhale mo, pag exhale mo, mag-deflate yung alveoli. Nakuha? Yes, RN? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If nakuha, I want to see inflammation. No, before I will proceed. Yan. Question. If there is decreased elastase production, what will happen to our alveoli? Palagi na po ba siyang nakagano? Hindi na siya
Distended alveoli.
always na po siyang inflated, right? Always na po siyang inflated. What is the term of inflation? Alveoli inflation. Ang tawag po niya,
Distended alveoli.
distended alveoli.
Alveoli.
Okay? Distended alveoli. Okay? Sige po, distended alveoli. Now, distended alveoli, now, meron pa bang taga-expel? Meron pa bang taga-expel ng CO2? Ma-expel pa ba niya
Wala.
CO2? Hindi na. So, that can cause CO2 trapping.
Trapping.
CO2 trapping. CO2 trapping. Okay? Now, what is the compensatory mechanism of our body if there is increased level of CO2 in our body? That cause vasodilation. That is the compensatory mechanism of our body, no? If there is increased level of CO2, that can cause vasodilation. And this vasodilation can cause flushing of skin. Flushing of skin. Flushing of skin. Okay. What is the other term of NCLEX of flushing of skin with patient with emphysema? And that is the pink puffers. That is the pink puffers. That is the pink puffers. Nakuha? Yes or N? Nakuha?
Yes po.
Oh, bakit po siya tinawag na pink puffers? No? Bakit po siya tinawag na pink puffers? Kasi always po yan, marami po gumagamit po dito pink puffers, pero hindi nila alam. Bakit? What is the cause of pink puffers? Saan po nanggaling ang word na pink puffers?
Oxygen.
Yes. Okay. Distended alveoli, tumalaki po yun, nag-i-inflate po yung mga alveoli, pwede din po ba yung lungs natin magko-compensate to give room for the alveoli? Yes. No? Kaya that causes also inflation of the lungs or overinflated lungs. Overinflated lungs. No? Nagko-compensate, nag-distend yung alveoli, yung lungs din is nagko-compensate, dumalaki to give room for the alveoli. Ano pong tawag natin doon? That is overinflated lung. Saan po natin makikita ang overinflated lung? By the use of X-ray or Roentgenogram. Okay? Roentgenogram. Okay, question about this. Question about this during your exam. If tatanungin po kayo, what will you see sa X-ray result ni patient with emphysema? At ang sagot niyo po doon, overinflated lung. Okay? Pag tatanungin po kayo sa exam, ano daw yung makikita natin sa X-ray sa patient with emphysema? Ano po yung sagot natin? Overinflated lung. Ulitin ko, kasi lumalabas po yan kahapon. Ano daw yung makikita natin sa X-ray ni patient with emphysema? Ang sagot natin is overinflated lung. Nakuha po yun? Yes, sir, Ed?
Yes,
Yes,
po.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If nakuha, I want to see exclamation mark.
Yes,
Not
sir.
back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, pwede po ba yung mga intercostal space muscle natin at saka yung chest muscle natin magko-compensate din to give room for the lungs? Yes.
Yes, sir.
No? Yes, and
Yes.
that causes barrel chest.
Yes.
That causes barrel chest. Barrel chest. Yan po yung cause ng barrel chest. It all started with distended alveoli, and then nagko-compensate yung lungs natin, lumalaki yung lungs natin to give room for the alveoli, at yung intercostal space muscle natin plus the chest muscle natin nagko-compensate din to give room for the lung that causes barrel chest. Nakuha? Bakit may barrel chest si emphysema? USRN?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes po.
Okay. Distended alveoli, pwede po ba mahihirapan huminga si pasyente?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. And that causes distended alveoli can cause also difficulty breathing. Congratulations, copy the simple pathophysia of your emphysema.
Question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yung emphysema, tama po ano, CO2 retention or O2 retention?
CO2 retention.
CO2 retention. Tapos, sir, if emphysema, ang cause niya chronic bronchitis, ibig
Yes.
sabihin, nang may emphysema, may bronchitis.
Yes, it all started with bronchitis and then developed to emphysema. Bali, ang complication of chronic bronchitis, emphysema po talaga, sir.
Happy, sir. Thank you po.
Yes, sir. Sino po yung mga smoker dito?
Tigil na.
Sino po yung smoker dito?
So, physically, sir, mag-define natin si emphysema versus chronic bronchitis through color scheme.
Two colors and then yung chest po talaga nila, ma'am.
Yes.
Oo, chest po.
Sir Chogi, ask lang po,
Yeah.
clarify ko lang.
Oo.
Sir, yung nagva-vasodilate ba, ano po yung nagva-vasodilate after nung CO2 trapping sa distended alveoli?
That is the compensatory mechanism of our body that cause vasodilation po talaga, sir. If there is the presence of increased CO2 level, there's presence of increased RBC level in our body, magva-vasodilate talaga yung tao, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, can we proceed to the management of COPD? Yes, RN. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Tapos na? Makopya? New Simplify NCLEX babies? Tapos na?
Yes po.
Okay.
Po.
Management ha? Ako lang po muna ha? Ako muna. Pwede po ba na ako lang po muna? Okay? So, pakisulat po dyan. For the management of COPD, you also have COPD para hindi mo makalimutan. Okay? Unahin ko, O stands for O2. No? O stands for O2. Pero meron po ba tayong tips to remember about the O2? Yes, meron. It should be low flow. No? Low flow O2 only. No? So ilang liters po yung low flow? It's 1 to 3 liters lang. Okay? 1 to 3 liters lang. No? Huwag mong taasan. Kasi kung taasan mo, congratulations. No? Pinapatay mo yung pasyente.
Napaaga yung ano niya.
Napaaga. Oo, napaaga yung pasyente. Alam ko, marami kayo dito, nung ano pa kayo, student nurse pa kayo, nung nag-duty tayo sa hospital, no, may COPD patient ka, hinahawakan. Ay, bakit sobrang baba yung O2 ni pasyente? Tapos, yung O2 level is 2 lang. Ano, bobong-bobo tong nurse na to ah. So tinaasan mo. Tinaasan mo, ginawa mo 6, tuloy, kinabukasan, patay yung pasyente.
Nakakatakot naman po.
Naalala mo pa ba yun? Huwag mo na sabihin dito, baka tayo pa yung hahabulin ng mga relatives mo. Okay na yun, pass is pass. Oo. So, yan, no? Kasi,
Ihingi ng tawad sa taas.
oo,
Medyo-
hingi na lang tayo. Kaya nga, always po ako nagsisimba. Kasi yun po yung hinihingi ko ng tawad. Kasi, ngayon ko palang na-realize na nakapatay pala ako ng tao.
Ay,
Okay? Sige?
At least sir, yung intention kasi nung gumawa is okay, pero nga lang, medyo lack of knowledge, kaya ganon, medyo absuelto din po siya sir, di ba? Pero
Correct.
kailangan pa rin ng tawad yon.
Kaya nga may kasabihan po ma'am, tinatawag lack of knowledge is very dangerous. Am I right?
Opo sir,
Diba?
ignorance of the law excuse no one, kulong pa rin kapag.
Correct. Okay lang po yan, makakalusot po yan dito, Pilipinas, but in the US, no. Hindi ka makakalusot yan. So that's why we have to be very careful about the practice. Hindi madali. Hindi po ba madali kukunin natin yung titulo natin na USRN? Am I right, USRN? Hindi. Oo. May halong, ano po to? Pawis at luha.
Accountability.
Yes. Okay, and then E stands for first lip breathing. Saan natin to i-encourage to have a first lip breathing? Which patient? Chronic bronchitis or emphysema? Emphysema. Patient with emphysema. Okay, sir, paano po yung first lip breathing? Sige, paki-prepare yung camera nyo. Alam ko, yan lang po yung inaantay niya yung camera niya Ganito, how to do first lip breathing? Ganito, please, pakitingin yung camera natin, pakitingin yung screen. Nakikita niyo po ba ako? Hi. Yes. Ganito, first lip breathing. Inhale using your nose. Sir, what about kung wala kang nose? Basta may butas, ilong pa rin yun. Okay? Ganito. Tignan niyo yung lip ko. Okay? Inhale using your nose. Tignan niyo yung lips ko. That is first lip breathing. Saan mo yan i-introduce? That kind of breathing? Patient with emphysema. Nakuha? USRN? Nakuha?
Yes po. Yes po.
Yes. Okay. And then D stands for diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing. Okay? Sir, paano po yung diaphragmatic breathing? At saan po natin to i-introduce yung diaphragmatic breathing? Patient with chronic bronchitis. Okay? Chronic bronchitis. Sir, paano po yung diaphragmatic breathing? No? Paano po yung diaphragmatic breathing? Okay? You have to inhale instead of, pag inhale mo, instead yung chest, yung there will be, pag magre-raise po yung chest mo, instead yung chest yung magre-raise, ang ipapa-raise mo is yung chan mo. You have to try it. Na wag ipa-rise yung ipa-rise yung chest nyo, but ang ipapa-rise nyo is yung chan nyo. That is diaphragmatic.
Sir, hindi namin makita yung chan.
Wag na tingnan yung chan mo, ma'am, kasi sobrang laki po talaga ng chan ko.
And reveal po kung talagang tap.
Oo, naka-boxers pa naman ako ngayon. Makita niyo yung boxers kong butas. Oo. So, wala nang pambili ng boxers, no?
Easy access sir.
Easy access. So yan. Ma'am Riri, yeah, totoo po yan, ma'am. Sige. So nakuha si diaphragmatic breathing. Yeah. Kuha, clear? Diaphragmatic breathing. Parang mahirap si diaphragmatic breathing, di ba? Mahirap. Okay, and then E also stands for drugs. Drugs. Okay. What are the drugs? What are the examples of drugs? Pakisulat. Kasi ang alam natin, pag sabihin natin chronic respiratory disorders, ang kadalasan alam na po natin bronchodilators. Tama. Bronchodilators. But the exam is very specific of what type of bronchodilators. Ano po yung pangalan ng mga bronchodilators? Sige, pakisulat po dyan. You have there the beta agonist. Ano pa? You have there the methylxanthines. Okay. Ano pa? You have there the leukotriene modifiers. Oo. And then you also have there the mast cell stabilizers. Mast cell stabilizers. May inflammation po ba? May inflammation po ba dito sa chronic bronchitis? May inflammation sa COPD? Meron?
Yes.
So what is the best medication for inflammation? You have there corticosteroid. Corticosteroid. Sir, may kulang ka pa, sir. Oo. Alam ko, ano yung kulang ko? Ano po yung C sa taas? Oo. Ano po yung C sa taas? Actually, si Montelukast, this is hindi po siya fast-acting bronchodilator, ma'am. Kasi, di ba, yung Montelukast, sino po yung mga anak po dito na niresetahan ni doktor ng Montelukast? Di ba? Oo. Gaano katagal binigay ni doktor yung Montelukast?
Months.
4 weeks. 14 days. Sa akin,
14 days to 3 weeks. Oo, 3 weeks. Kasi
Months yung
ganun
sa...
katagal mag-epekto si Montelukast. Kaya napansin nyo, pagbigay nyo ng Montelukast, sabi mo, bakit walang epekto to yung Montelukast? Kasi kailangan pa yan i-take for how many days bago pa yan mag-effect si Montelukast. Okay. Sige. C, yung pinakaunang C, what is that? You have
Diet.
That is for the diet. So you have there calorie, makisulat, calories, protein, and then okay, at dito ko ilagay sa baba si carbs. Okay. For the diet, patient with COPD, kailangan nila increase caloric diet and increase protein diet, but decrease carbohydrate, increase carb, decrease carb. Bakit? Bakit po decrease ang carb? Bakit decrease po yung carb? Because the end product of carbs is carbohydrate.
Mato si Jayla Juda?
Alam ko ano to, pulanan yun, pulanan. Okay? Sige. So, what is the diet for patient with COPD? Increase caloric diet, increase protein diet, but decrease carbs. Bakit? The end product of carb is CO2. Mataas mo ba yung CO2 level, patient with COPD? Yes. Tapos dinagdagan mo pa, pinapakain mo pa ng maraming carbs. Kamusta naman yung pasyente? Yataps yung pasyente. Okay, ano pa yung dadagdag ko pa dito for the diet? Idadagdag ko na lang po dito sa diet, it's fat. Fat. Increase fat. Copy? Yataps, patay, ma'am. Patay.
Yataps daw.
Ano po yung yataps, ma'am? Patay. Oo.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
question. Sir,
Yes.
pasensya na. Familiar sa akin si Santin Leukotriene tsaka si Mast Stabilizer. Si beta agonist, beta 2 agonist po ba to, sir? Or selective? Ano po?
The beta, these are the mga these are the drugs that sympathomimetics drugs. I-search mo na lang, ma'am. Marami yan sila, ma'am, sympathomimetic drugs.
Sympathomimetic, so,
Fast acting.
okay.
The fast acting. Bronchodilators.
So, kung sympathomimetic siya, everything is up except GI and GU, sir, yun yung effect niya.
Yeah. Correct.
Secretion. Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papiaw na ano. Thank you po.
Pauso kasi si Sir. Yeah, baliktad ng yataps, ay baliktad ng patay is yataps. Okay? Congratulations, we're done with the management of COPD.
Sir, may isang kulang sa drugs.
Ano po yung kulang, ma'am? Ano po yung kulang?
Anti-cholinergic.
Yeah, anticholinergic.
Okay.
Anticholinergic. Yes, anticholinergic. Yan lang. Anticholinergic. Sige, copy.
Sir, iklaro ko lang po, no? Si beta agonist po ba? Beta 2 or beta 1 po? Beta.
Wait.
Beta 2.
To ano po? Lang.
Beta 2.
Beta 1 for the heart.
Beta 2. Beta 2. Beta 2.
Thank you, sir. Salamat po sa pagsagot.
Beta 2. Okay, learning? New Simplify Young Class Babies? Learning? 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 Okay, if learning, I want to see exclamation sa chat box. I want to see exclamation sa chat box if learning. Yes, congratulations, we're done. We're done with our discussion for today. Yes, I am. We're done with our discussion for today. Okay. Okay lang po ba sa inyo na ipiprepare ko muna yung Q-Banks natin?
Yes po.
Sir. Thank you. Yes po, sir.
Okay. Sige, yung iba is ano muna?
Thank you.
Bladder break muna kayo. Pahinga. I'll give you 5 minutes to have your break. Tapos start tayo for the Q-Banks. Prepare ko lang. Prepare ko lang.
Hi, sir. Question.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Why we have to increase the fat sa diet?
Para hindi po siya madaling mapagod po, ma'am. Tapos, di ba ma'am, sobrang nag-i-exert yung pasyente huminga. It can cause po ba na madali po siyang pumayat, ma'am, yung pasyente?
Okay.
Yes. Oo.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, meron lang po ako additional about fat.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes po, di ba po, instead of carbs po yung kakainin ng patient, ang replacement po ng carbs for source of energy is fat po. Kaya po siya fat.
Yeah.
Yun lang po.
Correct. Correct, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Welcome po.
Ma'am, okay lang po. Ano nga po ulit yun? Sorry.
The other source for energy po, ma'am, is kasi hindi siya pwede maraming carbs, right, ma'am? So the other source for energy is the fat.
Okay. Thank you po.
Tell me if you're done with your break, ha? Tell me if you're done with your break. Para start na tayo. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited with your Q-banks?
Yes.
Antok na, ma'am.
Actually, sir, madaling, ay ano na rin po din.
Anong oras, ma'am? Anong oras dyan, ma'am?
It's already 11:49 ng gabi.
Canada? US?
Florida.
Florida. Hi, ma'am, from Florida.
Hello po.
Hello. Ma'am, nandyan po yung anak.
Pagkasama kami ni Miss Mayores sa room.
Okay.
Parehas kami nag-i-simplify.
Nandyan yung panganay kong anak ngayon.
Ay, ganun po ba?
Oo. Anong bago sa ano, ma'am? Universal Studio? Di Harry Potter?
Ano sir, hindi ka masyadong lumalabas kasi nagko-concentrate ako sa'yo. Yeah.
Yeah, no?
Kailangan sir, paano tayo magiging USRN?
Yes.
Kailangan ng marugtubang pakikinig sa iyong
Correct.
mga, diba sir?
Oo. Saka na yung,
Para sa ekonomiya.
saka na yung pasyal sa, ano, sa
Opo.
Harry Potter.
Opo, sir. Study muna.
Super Mario World. Yeah, correct. Super Mario World.
Opo.
Marami kami dito, sir. Nagsusuki.
Yes.
Actually, sir, nagtanong sila sa amin kasi sa elevator. Sabi niya, anong pinapakinggan niyo? Sabi ko, nag-Toki. Sabi niya, siling Toki. Sabi ko, makinig ka. Pakinggan mo, ha? Hanggang sa yung sabi, uy, mag-enroll din kami. Actually, mga nag-enroll pa lang. Walang late nila. At eto pa, sir, nakakatamp yung iba sa mga quizzes namin and mga namin dito, activities. Dahil sa pakikinig.
Wow.
Promise.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Ngayon ko pa lang ngayon narinig, ma'am. Oo, thank
Yeah.
you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Oo. Sa akin lang po talaga, sisiyahan po talaga ako if I heard some feedbacks about that kasi ang ginagawa ko lang naman talaga dito is just to discuss, give everything. Oo. Ganun lang. Thank you very much.
Naintindihan namin, sir, kasi nasisimplify mo talaga.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Kasi
ma'am.
naintindihan namin. Thank you po.
Very much also.
Kasi grabe yung namin, yung lessons namin dito, sir. Pero nagtuturo din sila, pero nire-refer pa rin namin sa notes namin, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Actually.
Oo.
Kaya double lang. Review lang po.
Yeah.
In
Thank you.
short, mas nare-retain namin yung lesson mo.
Ayun.
Yan lang yan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you. Yeah, agad. Yeah, thank you very much.
Question lang po ako.
Yeah. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yung pong bronchiectasis, di ba part din po siya ng COPD?
Yeah, bronchiectasis. Correct, ma'am. Bronchiectasis.
Sir, okay, pwede po magtanong sa mga previous lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, regarding po dun sa air embolism ng CVP, PPN po yata yun, sir. Sir, paano po malalaman ng effectivity ng left kapag nag-left Trendelenburg yung pasyente?
There is presence of positive platus.
Tsaka burping po, sir, no?
Oh, burp.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome, ma'am. Sige, okay na tayo? Ready na kayo? Q-Banks? Ready na? Okay. Sige, if okay na, I want to see exclamation sa chat box. 20 items lang po. And then, okay lang po ba that para kayo mismo ang makabasa, okay sa atin lang to sa atin lang to. Yung Q-Banks na to is galing from A. Alam niyo naman siguro ano po yung A. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
No?
sir.
Alam niyo kung ano yung A. Tsaka, ang gusto ko po talaga, i-upload ko yung rationale dun sa Google Drive para yung mga enrollees na don't have, alam mo naman, ito, I really need ang concern ko din po yung mga nurses na don't have the, ano ba, alam mo naman, another gastos na naman pag kukuha kayo ng U at saka A. So, to those nurses na walang capacity to purchase the A, at least, ma-experience nila the real rationale of makita nila kung ano po talaga yung rationale. Kasi kung i-discuss ko dito tapos hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo ang rationale, hindi pa rin ma-appreciate kung ano po yung rationale talaga about the A. Okay lang po ba na after the discussion, yung rationale is i-upload ko din dun sa mismong drive po natin?
Thank you, sir.
To give opportunity to those nurses na hindi maka-afford.
Great help yun sa amin, sir.
Yeah, basta ang sa atin lang po talaga, huwag niyo lang po i-share. Kasi kung i-share, bukas, uhulihin na po ako dito. No? So, pag uhulihin na po ako dito, wala nang lecturer. Wala nang lecturer dito. No? Oo. Yeah. So, please, no? Kung ano po yung meron sa atin, yan lang, dito lang po talaga, mananatili sa atin. No? Tulungan lang po tayo dito. Tulungan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Makaasa ka, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Actually, sir, 3 kami ditong magkakasama na naka-avail po kami ng promo nyo nung Chinese New
Yeah.
Year. Imagine, hanggang ngayon, alive pa rin.
Oo. Yeah. That Chinese New Year, that was February din. February din. Oo. Oo. February din.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, sige. Let's start. In 3, 2, 1. Ano mangyari? 3, 2, 1, go. Sige, enjoy. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Pwede pong pataas konti.
Yeah, sige po ma'am. May timing po kasi para ma-practice po kayo. Ano po yung ilan po yung minutes timing, the proper ilang minutes po mag-dwell tayo each question.
Okay, sir. Thank you po.